Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular notifications here, I started one Telegram group channel. So I kept that link in the description box of this video. You may join in that group to get the notifications regularly. And in this video, we are going to see the PhD entrance test from one of the state university, and eligibility is the 55% in the post-graduation. And here the research fellowship is also available, and you can see the specialization here itself. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. So, and I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Bhagwant University, Ajmer. It is established by government of Rajasthan. So here the research entrance test January 2021, and the specialization management, law, psychology, history, botany, physics, chemistry, mathematics, engineering, nursing and agriculture. The date of entrance test is 17th January 2021, that is on Sunday, and the last date of submission offline or online application form 9th January 2021. And here the research fellowship is also available in the select specialization. So for application form, NEFT and other details, you have to visit the official website, and the test registration fee is 1000 rupees, and here the different test centers are also mentioned. So you can write in any one of these selected test center. Okay. So it is the official website of this Bhagwant University, and here I will provide this link in the description box of this video. You may check down. So here the notification is there, and the application form is there, and the syllabus and guidelines and the online application form is also there. So you may check this any one of this thing. And while coming to the syllabus, you can check down that 2 papers will be there. Okay, paper 1 common for all the subjects, 40 multiple choice questions in 60 minutes. So it is related to general knowledge, quantitative aptitude, current affairs and research aptitude. No negative markings. And paper 2 is a specialization paper, the 60 marks. 10 questions of the descriptive type will be there. So the paper duration will be 120 minutes. And the candidates are required to follow the UGC NET syllabus for the paper 2 of that subject for which the candidates are appearing for this entrance exam. So candidates will answer only 6 questions, and each question carry the 10 marks. So it is a entrance examination pattern. And while coming to the specializations, here you can check down the humanities, science, engineering, management, agriculture and the law. Here the different specializations are also mentioned here, and you can get the syllabus also. Fine. And the different, what are the different funding agencies are there for your research: ACTE, SCRB or DST, UGC, ICSSR and INSA and DEITY, and the different centers are there to write the entrance examination. So you may choose any one of the entrance examination which is nearest to your place. Okay, so here the online application form is there, so you can click on this one, okay, to fill up the online application form. Okay, so to get the more and accurate details, please visit the official website of this one, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.